Looking to figure out whether Kayako or Freshdesk is the better help desk software for your business? You're in the right place because we're diving into the details of both tools, comparing their features, pricing, and usability so you can decide which one is the best fit. But stick around because I'll also be sharing a better alternative at the end that you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off by talking about the user interface. Kayako gives you a very simple, no-frills design. It's clean, but some users find it a little too basic, especially when compared to more modern platforms. The setup is relatively quick, but customization options can be a bit limited. Now, Freshdesk, on the other hand, is known for its more polished and user-friendly interface. It feels intuitive right from the start, and it's easy to navigate even if you're not tech-savvy. However, some users have reported that it can be overwhelming with so many features right out of the box. So, if you prefer simplicity, Kayako might be the better choice, but Freshdesk does offer a more robust, polished experience. Next, let's talk about ticket management. Kayako shines here with its multi-channel approach. It lets you manage tickets across various platforms, including email, chat, and even social media. This could be a huge plus for teams that want to centralize communication. Freshdesk does a similar thing, but with more advanced automations. Freshdesk offers smarter ticket assignment features, like workflows that can prioritize certain tickets over others. But while Freshdesk has the upper hand in terms of automation, Kayako gives you a more straightforward setup for simpler operations. Now, onto customer support features. Kayako support is solid with live chat and email options, but it doesn't have the full spectrum of support features some businesses may need. It lacks a comprehensive knowledge base in its basic plan, which can be a deal breaker for some. Freshdesk, however, offers a full knowledge base and self-service portal even in their entry-level plans. If you need help setting up, or if you're relying heavily on a help desk for customer inquiries, Freshdesk provides more support right out of the gate. The pricing structure is another major factor. Kayako's pricing starts higher than Freshdesk, which can be a bit steep for smaller businesses. It's definitely more tailored toward medium to large enterprises, with higher tier plans offering more advanced features, but the base price can feel like overkill for a small team. Freshdesk, in contrast, offers a free plan with decent features, and their paid plans are much more affordable, making it an attractive option for startups and growing businesses. If budget is a concern, Freshdesk has a clear advantage here. Next, let's talk integrations. Freshdesk takes the win here with its impressive list of integrations with third-party tools. Whether you use Salesforce, Slack, or even social media platforms, Freshdesk makes it incredibly easy to connect with other apps. Kayako doesn't have as many integrations available, and while they're still good for basic operations, you might feel limited if you're using other complex systems. Finally, reporting and analytics. This is an area where both Kayako and Freshdesk are strong, but Freshdesk offers more detailed insights right out of the box. Freshdesk gives you powerful reporting tools that help track agent performance, customer satisfaction, and ticket resolution times. Kayako's reporting is functional, but not as in-depth, which may be a downside for teams that need deeper analytics. So, which one is the better choice, Kayako or Freshdesk? Well, both have their strengths. If you need simplicity and a no-frills experience, Kayako could work well for smaller businesses or teams. However, if you're looking for a platform with better automations, more integrations, and advanced reporting, Freshdesk may be your go-to. But here's the thing, after trying both platforms myself, I found an even better alternative for businesses looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use help desk solution. If you want a tool that offers everything both Kayako and Freshdesk do, and more, without breaking the bank, check out the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive offer only available to our viewers.